Tonight I'm going to show you how to impress your sweetie, a special someone, close friend, whoever you like, with a cocktail that's going to knock their socks off. Hi, I'm Dan, and tonight, Monday rules don't apply. All right, so if anybody thinks cucumber is bright and refreshing, they're going to love this drink. My wife absolutely adores this drink. We're going to use tequila. All of those martinis are vodka based. If you love vodka, that's a great thing, but I'm not a big vodka fan, even though I make some awesome vodka drinks. Tonight is tequila. All right, cucumber. Cucumber syrup. I'm using Monin. You can use any brand you like. This is our secret ingredient. 1.5 ounces of tequila, just a 1/2 ounce of the cucumber syrup. That's all we need. 1/2 ounce of triple sec. Give it a little orange flavor and a touch more sweetness to it. There we go. And lime juice. Regular lime juice is fine. We'll add some tartness and some acidity. 3/4 ounce of lime juice. There we go. Okay. Now let's get some ice. That should do it. Shake it up real well. So here's a quick rule of thumb. Anytime you're making a drink with citrus, lemon juice, lime juice, orange juice, grapefruit juice, anything like that, you want to shake it, aerate that juice. Have it froth up. Okay, now, this is black lava salt. So kind of like salt on a margarita, but the black makes it extra special, also makes it sound a lot more exotic, so we're going to sprinkle some of that on top. There you go. If you're serving this, you put the drink in front of the person, then drop the salt in so they can see it, because it dissolves kind of quickly. And just a 1/2 slice of cucumber as a garnish. There you go. Cool as a cucumber. We're also considering the name Sublime Cucumber. You got to help us pick, but oh, every single time comes out absolutely perfect. It's just so delicious. I'm not even a huge cucumber guy, but I love this drink. It's awesome. So give it a try. I think you're gonna like it too. And hey, like us, subscribe, and if you got a choice on the name, put it in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts, because I'm just not sure what to call it. Elevate your spirits.